Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to the OnBrand Podcast.
Your.
My name is Angèle.
My name is Joïm.
And I am sick.
You can stop piano English.
Gewoon at the vibing.
Okay.
Pero yeah, I'm sick. Probably throughout this episode, but they didn't me. Asi, or achoo.
She has the sniffles, guys. Yeah.
Get tissue paper and what an oak near me, probably sneeze into. So bear with me. I'm gonna try not to be annoying.
Right.
Go ahead. Tell the people what we're doing today.
Well, laganos kumisa. May kokonos kumisa saying, but how are you doing, Angel?
Right.
Other than being sick, obviously. Make a man bana di sick. So that's not who you are or how you're doing only. That's just a moment in time that we find ourselves in. This kontak kubo.
Travis Scott sick mode. I am doing all right. Besides being sick at the moment, I'm doing all right. I had a productive day.
Hey, batimang.
Thank you, because that never happens. Thank you. Do schoolwork, work on things. I'm also working on an external project for somebody else, which is nice because I haven't done that in so many months. Because me be that I basically aiming to graduate for this year. But yeah, that's what I did. I took a weekend off for the first time in months as well from my job. But I work.
You work.
I work. I work and
during the weekends.
So very rarely meet that tuma liber because we need to get this bread literally. And my buying concert, which we're gonna talk about. I'm buying concert this weekend and I'm going to my liber because I deserve. It's been way too long. And I feel like the days are very long for no reason. The weeks are very long. Everything is just mashed together. Manera mashed potato, which I really like. So yeah, I'm trying to swim afloat, basically.
Swim afloat?
Is that what you say?
That is not what you say.
What is it?
Trying to float.
Trying to swim afloat? Okay, anyways. I'm trying to float.
Swim by the land. Pero float solamente tambe this.
Okay. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. But I'm doing all right for the most part.
Okay.
And I feel I'm about to sneeze.
Well, I don't think it's nada.
Did I?
Okay. So, okay, danke Pabo, wis nos contact ko ba, Angel? I'm doing all right. I'm doing also doing. Thank you for not asking me.
I just asked.
Ako bisa pa peka ba so.
Okay. Okay.
Pero see, no, I'm doing all right. I work during the week, so during the weekends I'm supposed to liber, pero my weekends danta doing a lot of errands, running a lot of errands.
Basically,
essentially
work.
Essentially, okay. This but on Friday we had a very productive meeting. Something very cool. Let's just say oportunidad ko. I never thought in a million years I would get here. This, nice. I thought it was dope. No because I don't think it's necessary. Pero things are moving until we out here, shaking our ass and getting it popping.
He's being a tease, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm not teasing anybody, but it's like I'm going to say algo this way. That's it. That's all you gotta know.
A tease is a tease. You just tease.
Okay, you would know.
Yeah.
No, pero sa me time by concert, me, Angel, a few friends. Yeah. What concert is it by, Angel?
We went to Kendrick Lamar's
Big Steppers.
Yes.
Yes, the Big Stepper tour, guys.
Yeah.
No, that was sick.
Yeah, it was really good.
In a nutshell, that shit was fire.
It was really good. This was my first concert in First sneeze.
I'm not cutting this out. This is just staying in. Y'all gonna hear the real.
This was my first concert in a few years, post-pandemic. We're still in the pandemic, but post
When the band,
pandemic.
damn it, no.
Okay. This was the first concert in a while for me. I think the last concert I went to was
Anyway, see, sorry.
last concert I went to was who was the last concert I went to? Sam Smith maybe. 2019.
And I was like, what? Okay.
Go Kita
No,
what?
so but stop in 2009. But same minute, you was.
No 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 no.
Are you from London, bro?
No. Sorry. No. That
Anyway,
was the
see.
last time I went to a
Uh-huh.
concert here. This is very nice to go back.
So,
It was packed. It was packed. It was cold. Pero experience, miss. I really enjoyed it. I don't think I look like a Kendrick Lamar fan. And I wouldn't say I'm
you look like a Kendrick Lamar
I
fan.
don't look like a Kendrick Lamar.
See, but what does a
fan.
Kendrick Lamar fan look like?
But literally, ayer mina pa rin. Would
Nah,
people
but
even know a song?
look like, yes, you do look like a Kendrick Lamar fan. You are not a Kendrick Lamar fan
A
to that
girl could
extent.
have not taken over in us. Does she could have bob her head? Does she look like she's a
And
Kendrick
first
Lamar
of all,
fan?
like, don't let me break it down, but what's on back?
Yeah.
Right?
But how was your experience?
I am a huge Kendrick Lamar fan. Mita mas Good Kid, Mad City fan to me butterfly tambe. Damn until Mr. Morale, the Big Steppers. Pero si mi se pone na din kategoria mi lo pone Section 80 ku Untitled Unmastered kita pi ko na minuta echt super fan of. Pero Good Kid, Mad City is a very important album in my life, or a lifetime. Tempo 8. I think in that time that or I mean that really really getting into music as an independent person as opposed to whatever the hell that pasando no di mi. Tempo Butterfly sounds na to kung experimental na to kung diferente etapa pa su tempo compara ku lo que sali din tempo I think that was very important. So yeah, mi lo bisa good kid Mad City ta mane Kendrick su life story. It's kind of like Nas su come album ni trobe.
Wait, I don't know.
Ay, malubida. Mita bisa sampai ke barang rato. Pero sí, to Pimp Butterfly, it's a more experimental album.แต่ว่า Good Kid, Mad City mas un storytelling album. Gezond tijd.
Second.
Illmatic, Nasu Illmatic. Good Kid tamane Illmatic, pero the Kendrick Lamar. That's what I would say. Pero sí,
Okay.
Mr. Morale and Big Steppers was also a very good album. Damn, I'm not really with Damn that much. Gezond tijd. Oh my
I'm
goodness.
so sorry.
Or ba ba nister ba bala tiki patras?
See,
As
I'll
opposed
do
to
that.
30 mas de mic. Thank
See,
you.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Producer's notes, guys.
I'll do that.
See, no, pero sea, it was amazing. It was dope. Baby Kima open. Baby Kim gezondheid. Sorry, not bisa gezondheid. I'm rude. Yep. Blessings. See,
Yeah.
no, Tana Leon open. Nos no llega enough. Nos no llega trempa enough nos para mí decir. Pero, okay. Gezondheid. See, Tana Leona open. Baby Kim, daarmee open. Tot de middle act en de Kendrick Lamar tot de wat zoekant. Oké, Maas, gezondheid. See?
See.
You got it?
See, I think
All right. So yeah, dus ito was dope. Pero now I get back to you. What was your favorite element of the concert?
I think sowieso. Oei, ow. For me.
Oei, ow.
For me, bij welke concert, we had pretty good seats. That's the thing.
See.
They come back
No, it's fine.
Come back off.
See, my cough. My fake cough, see.
Okay. Oh, weird.
No, but so, your boy, see.
Oh, he scored the tickets for all of us.
Yes, bro. It's
Yeah.
important. No, bro. Now, nos ever pop it about. As soon as in charge score tickets, you gotta do a good job, because or else I'm gonna be mad at you.
We're trusting that you know. You
See,
can do
exactly.
your
That's
job.
what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Like, you gotta. Something like, someone ever put by pate. Ando, un bo friend sabe, "Eh, mama te."
Tudo como tem que estar, tudo ponemos na.
Dem banda do
Where,
body kubira
yeah.
ba kabenta man ito freaking chalky but abo.
Right.
Sabi man, pabawa ke movie. Like
Right,
that's not
right.
no. It's important to have good tickets.
Yeah.
But we had seats.
But we had seats. This I've also had experience para and I didn't like it.
Got it.
This I prefer now to be seated and then having the option to stand up.
Exactly.
Get up, stand up.
For your rights.
Get up, stand up. Don't forget to fight.
I need to pass you through it too.
And we had good seats. We were not in the middle like side.
we
It
were
was
fire.
Zigo Dome. This side.
Zigo.
Zigo Dome.
Right.
And so I like Baby Keem. So this is what I hope. I like him. I like him as a person. I know him. And it was nice to at least catch him. I feel bad because not catch
Channel Leon.
Leon. And I hope there was a lot of people in the room.
No, I thought you open this.
See,
So no
'cause
say
that
you
would
net
have
or
been,
la
like,
cabando.
shitty.
That shit was bumping.
Yeah.
And I do know a bit of his music because of Kendrick's album. He's on one of the last songs with me. Pero I sorry, me no get on the break, bro.
No, kaya
No, I'm just saying, like, as a smaller artist or a lesser known artist. First of all, it's a great opportunity for him. So as si kono tata Yang Mes, he's probably ecstatic.
See, because every city is gonna be different too. In this case, I think those dias, probably Friday time, he had to perform the chance to perform in front of a larger audience. I hope.
Right.
Pero see, I really liked so I took atende Kendrick's new album Misora. It took me a minute, but I think it's mang Misora. Okay, I need to really sit with this and to listen to it. Just I bump it while going to the gym. And the pone album and the start to finish, it's probably like net me session of the day of net iets langer. Dus makum is like makum is learn, no memorize, to learn and to understand
the album.
see
Gotcha.
the concept of the album. And then plus see it being performed then and then me still
Fire.
knowing. Plus he brought on like older songs. Probably look at new songs only. No. Plus it wouldn't make sense because it's also been a while since I think he went on tour. Toch?
It's been 5 years.
See. Dus I really like
It must be like 1,800 and like not on tour. Kila sa kong album. We be albums aren't connected to
Yeah.
tours or tours are connected to albums. So it's been like 5 years or something crazy.
Yeah. I really liked that's why Baby Kim Kendrick this. And I saw another thing, those scherm on the side and they had like a larger right in between of that thing concept but right in between with a bigger surface. And then I make good use of that. What I mean, like a camera work was really nice because simple money when I'm far, when I'm going to a concert, I'm not gonna be that close enough, but I still felt like I got the experience through the screens. With the effects ng kunada thing, with the camera work, with the camera person being on stage that me. Now about Whackman, okay, where's the other camera who to capture him right in the middle?
Everywhere.
On top the thing,
Right.
bird's view time the thing camera and they play with lights, they play with scherm effects ng with the blanket. With the curtains, setting curtains time kunada time ni project things on. That was it's storytelling and the concept put on the stage and the physical was really nice.
Yeah.
But certain songs time but I mean they play with shadow, they play with light. Or the Baby Kim time Kendrick perform together. You can see the contrast between the two. They were performing and running around in circles. There were things gonna practice clearly. It was very hyped up. Time is all. I have to sneeze. Ooh. 1 second. Hold. Hello, bye. Anyways.
Hey.
A vibe, a room is together. But no start about a whack about. There were so many
Small mosh pits.
small mosh pits.
But no erg. Like
No
just people
erg,
really
no.
vibing out.
Pero echt everyone was excited. It seemed like everyone was so excited.
It was up in there.
Very much a sea of white. Pero
No, het heeft echt wel mee.
a
hoor.
bow, it looked very
No,
much
no. You can't even see the people's
You
complexion.
you can. You can.
No, and
You
not that
could.
white. You'd be surprised.
But it was
Definitely more white people, but not that I can see
definitely
a white see.
more than no kuma expect. It was just more.
See, pero no está na Holanda tambe, so
See,
it's
see,
like
this in that time, okay,
percentage wise.
we're not the
See,
majority here.
see, and
But
sorry, I'm down to break, but also like it's good that they listen to Kendrick because at least was that his message is very pro black, very very current, and though he's gonna speak on things that happen in real life. There's that is a good thing on that sense. Kuna tate and though at least but hope ko was that a different culture that tu pare no di to ma ko understanding at least through music the oh was that our plight or our struggles or our strengths or whatever. So
but I
I
really
think
hope
that's important.
they get it. They get it.
I don't think they will get it.
No, but
Get
I
it,
say,
but we don't expect them to get it because they're you can't get it.
but I mean, a full concept of Kendrick the very not a problematic word. Very deep thought, complex things to music. I feel like could upon certain themes could touch and even money anti diaries miss. It's very vulnerable, but there's the landy. But talk about that, which is not something that really is talked about in this community that often. We just kind of money, oh, Tio Tante. Okay, cool.
Right.
Cool, 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 cool. Cool,
That's
cool, cool,
crazy.
cool.
I didn't see.
See, and even a particle Taylor Page that didn't show up, girl, where were you?
That wasn't
That
it.
wasn't
It's
necessary.
not a
But
song.
no, I
Also,
know, but I just do it for the
no.
fun.
See, but
Um,
that yung party di Jesse, pero
See
yung
that
party
yung
di
parte de
songs lang.
Jesse. That yung parte de Jesse. But things like that, naman it's very confronting. The album specifically, no, yung album ko ni Kid, yung yan tabay, of hinte the album yung kung yan tabay bump up, kung man okay, let me play this. It might be too, okay, heavy.
I don't think it's meant for that tampoco.
No, no. But it was nice to see him perform the older songs too, to seeing everyone being like very excited. No stood that me,
He
but
was bumping.
very excited about it. Yeah, and it feels surreal even when we're like, oh my god, this person exists in real life too.
It is kind of
Like
crazy.
it's
Like it was
he's
really
here.
Kendrick. No sa taleo, pero seko doon to si na grande and no seats nanta tamane. Oh, this nigga's right there. Like
Right.
it's crazy.
That's what I mean. The scam bones, what I mean. The stage bones, what I mean. The
Yeah,
A.
boom.
So it was yeah. What you think? Thoughts,
Sa
feelings, emotions.
no, amito kumisa ko Baby Kim. Mitong fan ni Baby Kim, pero minota mitong casual. That's what I would say. Mita konta honest, mitong casual. Don't know much before his latest album, which was very much critically acclaimed. So props to him for that. I think having a cousin as Kendrick Lamar,
Yep.
either you have to be sick or you're gonna be
You
sick.
you
Either way,
you feel
you
like you
up.
have to even
Yes,
probably.
yes. And Kendrick is not gonna endorse
No.
some bull jive. You know what I'm saying?
No.
So it me gusta su performance hopi because he has bangers, but he also like in not perform hopi largo. Su performance at maybe 35 minutes.
Yeah.
Pero his presence magusta hopi vooral e manera ko ita interact ke crowd like dat op een gegeven moment orla kumisata tiene ta strome na ainda pero by the time that in the middle of his performance even sa tiene ta strome ainda ta llega bump llega basta llega me sort of boom oh we here them speakers was banging even basta me that's also amazing so magusta manera ko na ang lights tambe na su performance so he had this theme kuta naman yung red. Like most things kita tahu sa tating red undertones or red. There's a background at the red. Na was hopi shadows performance.
Even the blurry
See,
track down
like
on
see,
the
kore na usa. I
screens.
really like that. Sa anto manera que la interact ke crowd tambe. Okay, man la on the one side on the other side. Su choice of mixing the different types of songs tambe I really like but okay man ela slow it down and to end it with a banger which is fire So yeah, no, it was really good. It was really good. Plus, he looked comfortable on stage.
Mhm.
He looked like he belonged there, and I
Yeah.
really liked that. I was very inspired by his performance. Because yeah, mainly time because he's a pretty young act. Like the last few years he's been really really popping. You know what I'm saying? And I personally am. I get inspired by him, his performance in Atlanta. But oh, I've never thought about performing, pero I kind
Now
of
you have to.
I want to do that,
Mm-hmm.
and I feel like I could do that tambe. Pero yeah, was everything in divine timing, man. Angelo Bisa.
Right.
Okay, that was by Kendrick's performance miss was fire. Like, what I liked about it the most was the structure, until him, the structure, until everything in between. Like his songs, is always like he has bangers. Like it's really difficult to mess up bangers. Like it's not that difficult to do.
CMS mess it up. I think the crowd can sing for him.
Precis. That is essentially what I'm saying.
See.
But Mickey Man, him connecting in between the songs until laganang flow to transition hope smoothly. Ku a narration di Helen Mirren. So she narrated essentially a in betweens ng tambe until a interludes ng essentially the may media performances. A playing ko light until time until silence and to set design pa no, not only transition equals ng smoothly but tama literally production wise pa setup equals ng right. I find that very important. Ami from a production standpoint I can see those things like ora naman is silence no to solamente pa invoke un kind of emotion pero tama dito maka ko oh we need to set this shit up bro.
Yeah.
And I really like kung smoothly na siya. So, no, kasi man oh, nasta being back. There was always something happening
No.
somewhere. Kaminda, bupora kind of get the best of both worlds. So, turin na kira, pura kira engaged.
I didn't feel like there was a pause.
No,
I
it
didn't
was
feel like
like,
there was a pause at all.
pero that
in
hope he
the
pauses
performance.
at the same
See
time.
the thing, pero so ora naman eh, at some point ago there was a bed on the stage. La hong lay on it. Then oh he's taking a nap.
And he wasn't singing. It was
he's
just the
resting.
music. But everybody was engaged.
See, and I think now, iko time na ibisa ko, su stage presence, su performing. When he was quiet, people were like shouting his name.
Right.
And not that quiet.
No.
And probably people can't be quiet.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, people have their stuff on during recording.
Sorry.
See, but what time when they catch the breath, it Bombas as the audience, I think, kind of to sink in their moment when oh wow, this is like really cool.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, continue. Sorry.
No. It's a podcast. No me subir a tampoco.
No.
As long as no te pasa. Pero sí, I like también structure-wise kung old songs I want incorporated. So, old songs na no played when oh sana may play me banger. No, it was more like how interludes nang kung Helen Mir bijvoorbeeld connect old songs ku new songs into a general narrative the Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers ku elements the Good Kid the Damn the Section 8. I think he had a song from Section 80 of even singles kita tingko trene anto tambe sowieso to Pimp a Butterfly. Like mito ko ara ko ito be funny. Ami ko un friend di nos pasar by we anto nos ta dem banyo so ta opi cerca di by like nos constant going experience aki ta hobi bom so nos ta quickly in quickly out
Very,
nos ta
very
cerca di
smooth,
banyo cerca
yeah.
di wese cerca di a bar everything like was good but ami ko mi friend Kiano sa ta dem banyo to nos ta para na urinoir or whatever you want to call it. See?
No.
See? I'm the wow, I woman was supposed to
I don't know.
Take a minute, that you're not doing that.
No.
But see, and to na ko sa na ko sa play good kid math CD sigumi. And to na ko sa Pyrus and Crips. Oh god, a lot and to I'm kaya oh my god, we need to go, but we're still peeing. Pero we're still peeing, so and then ako misanto, of a moment a beat a drop and to my walk to my left, to my right, and to tating ture otro yunuara, to train para. The makumisa water and to train at the rapico at the same time as the water. That shit was amazing, yo. Good, no sort of man if Pyrus and Crips. Oh god, and to I made sure that
That's
nobody
what's
said nigga.
happening.
None of these white people said nigga. And that was good. I like
That's
that.
what's happening in the male bathroom.
Well, that was happening at that time on that day, and I think that was sick. So if anything, no stoer put a connect on this one thing. This shit is sick, and I really like that. So yeah, this I think it's a very much a must go. He's such a good performer. And to kind of
Yeah.
take the link who a crowd time maybe Amsterdam, whatever, whatever, whatever. And I really find that important. And to Orla Kaba, ilamane drop down a sina. Ding imane thing with the Bible I left with the Bible sina. And to I will be back until he smiled. And it seemed like a genuine smile to
See,
me.
the few times, I mean, they smile a few times,
So
time, man. Then they,
he was
oh my
really in
god,
his
he's a real
element.
person.
No, he's like he
He's a
was
real
killing that shit,
person.
yo.
But he
He had
did
his
a
braids
very good
going with his
job.
little hair,
See,
with his dangling earring, with his WWE belt. Nah,
with
that shit
his
was
belt.
fire, yo.
I think he did a good job. So but
Great job.
being under those lights,
Exhausting.
performing for an hour and some, performed the day before.
Right.
It could I don't know how people do tours. Like that must be exhausting. At some point, I'm gonna go home because
Shit.
I'm about to flip out all you hosts.
Shit. It's not built for that. You're not.
No,
It's not
no.
made like. Today, I don't think people understand how much work it takes. Ando tambe butingku turkos me sabay bong eh.
See, and I think it went pretty really
Smooth.
effortlessly actually.
Sa anto ora baby eko baby kima perform Range Brothers and the Family Ties. Fantastic.
They gave okay, they're cousins.
Sa nanta pa
Like,
nanoni by ser ka di outra eh.
No,
Nanta para
no.
leu pero dati mo kami baby Kim su verse ta ay tina cominciamento the stage is may the stage and to can so tati man catwalk assim na. Can I on the opposite side and tati loose riba jeta comparando snigi. That shit was fire, yo.
Yeah.
He was just standing there focused on his cousin ripping the stage.
Okay, the moment time because screen it ba
Sa.
at some point nila go up in the air and the like it was really good. Mita film like you said, inspired in the sense of I can't sing. I can't rap.
It's not about that. You don't make music.
I don't
That's
make
what it is. You will perform, but not in that sense. But still.
No, but I felt inspired masking
Damn, I need to go create some shit. See.
doing a concept
Right.
creation. Oh shit, maybe I should to start doing this
Yeah,
again.
no, I feel you.
That's what I felt. That was what it was for me. Seeing someone that has been doing this for a while. I feel like knows what they're doing.
No, for real.
And continuously challenges
Themselves.
what you think of them themselves. It felt like okay, I kind of need to get my shit together or something.
No, I feel you.
I do take this with a grain of salt. These are people with a team. These are people with the funds. These are people, but they also started somewhere.
They did.
And
for sure.
I want to show myself the same grace, but also the same if you really want this as badly as you say you want it, which I know the part by leading a conversation similar to that soon. Then you gotta
bust your ass.
bust your ass for
That's
it.
what it is. Yeah.
And when I see someone like him who he is no honored, pero hinted at me as blueprint for
He's held in a very high regard.
see
creatively speaking.
See, it makes me think, oh shit, maybe I should be doing more for myself.
Gotcha.
Of believing more for myself. And I spoke to you who last time even stuff like like goals, dreams and stuff like that. And I've been thinking even DB miss. Oh my god, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. And the dream thing.
Embarrassed about what? You gotta say what you're embarrassed about. You can't just say embarrassed.
About even sharing of thinking of certain goals and dreams that I have for myself.
Gotcha.
And solamente career wise, but I guess in everyday life también. And no that to the point where I'm way too self-aware of myself. I take myself too seriously.
That's self-conscious.
See.
Self-aware that on one spectrum, and the other one to be self-conscious.
Oh well.
No. The other one that ignorant.
Oh.
Make man self-awareness to be self-conscious.
Okay.
Or it's mucho. Or it's detrimental to yourself. So.
See.
And bar.
And I think probably they probably still have that. I'm not saying they're like perfect,
Right.
but probably you kind of have to be a little delusional. They kind of have to be a little bit. I don't give a fuck what people think about me. This is what I want to do.
Right.
Um, like you can think of a few artists that I feel like oh, this person is so strange, but people that's exactly the reason why people
Guess you know.
Doja.
Right.
I think Doja knows she's like a little bit strange, but she embraces that wholeheartedly to find good money. Oh my god, I want to be like that person.
Tyler.
Tyler, another great example.
Lil Nas.
It's very much that. Lil Nas, good,
He's a troll.
but he embraces it. He's
Sì,
like,
sì, sì, sì.
this
Perché
is
that's a
it.
troll. New troll, not another. You know, he's a troll.
Me even take
Takashi, even. I'm sorry.
me
Wait,
even take
also.
Lil Uzi Vert.
Right.
Lil Uzi Vert is strange.
I'm not with that at all. But anyway, that's a different conversation.
That's a different one.
Right.
But me like in Nike, and I think I did have that at some point. And I do still have it home right now in this phase of my life. I struggle with that. It felt inspiring to see someone go. You always see or you listen to their music, and then now you see them in real life. Don't mean that a physical manifestation of that. It's like,
Right,
oh
right,
wow,
right,
okay,
right. Put it into action, live action.
see,
Got you.
yeah.
So, me te quiere botira songs sowieso. Paku, they have that, pero so you miss bring it back to like the album itself, Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers. It's one big piece of art that is his self awareness turning into self consciousness, but also accountability and to being expressive. The okay, this is who I am, this is what I'm going through, but also this is who we are, this is we are going through. Him questioning culture in that sense when it kino sta basic is him being self aware to the point of self consciousness when kino sta basic so I feel like he doesn't only have that as an artist, but also as a person. Pero tambe he's ill enough essentially to question. He's not only ill enough but also equipped enough to encompass entire cose on a global scale or on a culture scale. Am I global? On a culture scale. So not Americans, not African Americans, but we share
No.
some
Yeah.
similarities and to me bijvoorbeeld para connect hoop ik ook het papi di mane okay what's culture of mane or to be so what ding N95 what the hell is cancel culture. I'll say whatever the hell I want like I'm Oprah like nah I'm like you know stuff like no so stuff like that I mean connect to was I man like it's a shared experience dus pero being back na look bisa I think it's always a good conversation to have or with a papi over the dreams and to yeah not to in that same headspace or what's that at that then a step in a journey yet but was in a very open way pero to some extent and just like the kutamino sa papi man you kind of if you're scared to talk about your dreams to some extent you're also scared to put them into action or take the right steps
Right.
of take steps you would hope because fact of the matter is you're not gonna get to your dreams by yourself that is just not the thing. This you I mean not echt yung tipo din man obedi ko manifest or put it out there. Pero it's the same principle di man without there's no faith without action. There's no point of having faith without action.
Yeah.
And to you putting it out there, you talking about it, you being able to say this is what I want is also will also ultimately hold you accountable. Okay, babisa wo nami wabogas essentially.
So, but then for me specifically, personally, it goes back to who I'm also sharing that with.
Yeah, okay, that's fair. That's
where
fair.
I rarely have that trust with the money.
Yeah.
You're gonna take me seriously. If you're gonna get it. And I think
Yeah.
with the money, I want someone to get it. But if the dream is big, let it be big. No, this is
Sí.
nothing. So once I explain it, and again, no get it, it will feel happy.
Wat expose mes and
Wat expose mes and het like
stabo mes open by ridicule.
See.
Yeah.
And for I think that's for me one of the reasons kumani even the own concept money I also wanna do a big step tour. Pero
You can't sing, but
No, see.
you can't rap, bro.
Well,
Right.
That's not what I told you for instead. But share, I think, yeah, it's a difficult conversation, I think.
It could be for sure.
It's
Doesn't have to be, but it
it
could
doesn't
be.
have to be per
But
se, but
right now it is.
for me in this stage in my life, it is.
Yeah, it's recommendable. No, I understand. I'm either different in that sense because I'm very ambitious, but I'm also very active. So
Yeah,
though
I would agree.
everything that I thought new to him, the guy went on. God has blessed me that if I say it, it's gonna happen, my guy. I don't know what to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, to make Kendrick to be sa din click, Kendrick Kanye to be sa din click, a song click. Um, I've been talking to God my whole life, and if you look at my life, I guess He's talking back, and that's
Yeah,
and that's how I be
yeah.
feeling. So, but I'm also a very action oriented, goal oriented person. There's
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if I say it, no que me by pasa, pero you're damn sure I'm gonna work at it, even if it doesn't happen. Not due to lack of me not working at it, not the lack of me working at it. So, man.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, but yeah, that's what I think about that
Yeah. It was a good experience. It
for
was
sure.
um
10 out of 10.
it's inspiring for me. I think inspiring for you as creators as well, but as people to be able to see someone perform like that. Do you have concerts you would like to see coming this year, next year?
Lil
Top three.
Baby is gonna drop an album in the next coming weeks. I think it's October 14th.
Mm-hmm.
Which means that there's gonna be a tour tied to that, and I do want to see Lil Baby.
Mm-hmm.
But so I don't know. I feel like that would be a good concert for me on the just on the vibe, on the strength of vibe hone.
Mm-hmm.
I do want to see that. ¿Qué más lo me que wak? Yeah, think yeah. You know, sabes, like it depends. It depends. I don't think a Drake concert will be amazing. So I
But it
don't
would
think he's
be
a
a
great.
Drake concert.
Exactly. That is what I'm essentially
Yeah.
alluding to. It's still Drake, bruh. It don't
It
matter.
would be a
Like I don't see this
Drake
nigga dancing, but
concert.
it's still Drake, my guy.
Yeah.
A walkie Kanye, not the the best graces of the black community.
No.
But a Kanye concert is it's literally it's a different experience.
Yeah.
It's literally Kanye, Beyonce, or Walkie. They're the best concerts you would be able to go to on the creative side.
Mm-hmm.
Barring any other things, Kanye to basically we're not gonna talk about that right now. Pero that is a concert you have to go.
Mm-hmm.
You have to go to. And to a Beyonce concert, I also like to see. Minutong big Beyonce fan di man eh. Oh, mi tiene su music on a artist level. Mi respect and to definitely cherish her position within the culture and the space. But I would also like to see her a concert of Beyonce because I feel like it would be amazing and she's one of the best performers of all time. So I would like to see that too. And to a smaller artist, Tory Lanez. I would like to see Tory Lanez also. Tambo no din no best graces, but he's also yeah. Say what you want.
I
We're
will
not
say
gonna get into
nothing.
that. See, but I would also like to see a concert of his. I think that would also be very sick. But so he has a lot of bangers, and he's a very good performer.
Eu vou passear a montante.
I believe.
Passa montante.
Quanto?
Essa
What
é
is
o
it? Tres?
três.
Oh, mi no tiene tres. Mantene. Qual artist ba que mira?
Você tem mais?
I probably could name off a few more, pero
No,
não é
it's good like
encontrava.
that.
It's
Me,
good
on
like
the
that.
other
It cut me
hand.
off com assim, não chama. Mire, it be your own niggas. Anyway,
Name.
não digo nisso, não, é.
Ah, annoying.
But let's see.
Me, on the other hand, I am a Beyonce fan. So that is on the top of my list. I know it's going to be very expensive. Pero if she tours Renaissance, I'm going.
Right.
It's going to be difficult to get the tickets.
Figure it out, komt goed.
Misaka, a bunch of people are gonna do the same thing. But I really
A bunch of people are gonna do the same thing as in wanting to go to a Beyonce concert.
yeah.
Wow, Angèle. Misako,
girls-
a lot of people. That's not. You can't just say that. That's
Ugh.
because Misako hoping ain't gonna buy a concert. You don't say. You don't say.
The girls and the gays are going, and
How about the men that are not gay?
some of them.
I literally just said I would like to go to
See,
the
but
Beyonce
you
concert.
know the girls and the gays are going.
Okay.
The girls and the gays are going, and I want to be part of that. I want to be
Right.
part of that. I want
Uh-huh.
to see her live. She has been here before in Ulanda, but I wasn't. I think I was here at the time, or I didn't get tickets. One of the two. Anyways, I would really want to go see us in Renaissance tour because Renaissance was really that girl. The album to me is such a fun album. Um, she she ilabay ko yung otro world that she usually does, and I think she did a great job with it. I think she did what Drake wanted to do. Oops. Um,
No, I don't think Drake wanted to do that.
no, but they released it earlier though.
That is now, yeah, no, no, no. Don't get me twisted. He definitely heard
He
Beyonce's
knew
finna
it.
release a
He
dance
knew
album. It was
it.
like, let me get my shit off real quick, because I'm not
See.
finna no. Pero Drake no porque hasi lo que Beyonce está haciendo, no por hasi
No,
lo
no,
que
no, you
Beyonce está
can't.
haciendo.
I do
Na
like Drake
akong
though.
kasi mesmo genre. But what Drake did, trust me, what he did, it's also he also achieved this goal.
Yeah.
Because by qualquer spa, qualquer place que tu viene brunch ko kanaki,
It does.
you're
It
hearing
plays. It
Renaissance
plays.
and you're
Yeah.
hearing
It does.
come here album? I don't even remember.
Never mind.
Honestly, never mind.
Honestly,
See,
never mind.
precies.
Exactly.
So he's doing fine. Pero
See.
sí, mana ba bisa?
No. The song the album Gamma Move. I really like that song. Man said you could Drake, move out the way.
What is wrong? Why
I'm
you
my girls
what?
and we all need space.
Why does it have to be against? Like it doesn't need to be competition.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's just
Why do you say he has to move Drake
move
out
out
of
the
the way?
way. She's saying, get off the stage. Stinky. It's giving stink. Anyways,
What is this animosity that you have? Like,
I like Drake. So I like Drake. I would go to a Drake concert too.
pero di como te pisando, oh, Sam, move Drake out the way. Like, what is that? What does that have to do with anything?
Beyonce
Why
is
can't
on the
this song?
stage.
See, but why can't the song be the song?
It's the song. Is the song.
You're not making sense right now.
Anyways.
I'm not even gonna be a Drake
Ally?
Venger.
Okay.
I'm not gonna be
Drake
an Aubrey
agenda.
Venger. With the conversation, like we don't have to put these two people against each other. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, Adonis. Anyways.
Okay.
Okay,
Ice Spice. Anyway. Well, I see.
Beyonce,
She just gave you 10 minutes on Beyonce. See,
See.
next one.
Beyonce, top of the list. Bad
Bad
Bunny.
Bunny. I would go to a Bad Bunny concert. You know how many baddies are gonna be at a Bad Bunny concert?
Exactly.
What? I'm going, yo.
We're all shaking our ass.
I'm speaking Spanish. I don't care.
Espanol. No, I really like Bad Bunny too.
Nah,
Bad Bunny
me too.
to artists with the Sally. I think every year. Wait, I have to see.
No, he is the biggest artist right now. He's the biggest artist in the world right now. He has the biggest tour out of everybody. Nobody's coming in close to Bad Bunny. Gezondheid. Gezondheid. 3 maanden scheepsrecht.
Spielbandil.
Okay,
Yes.
well, that's...
Bon kuni.
See, Bad Bunny.
Bad Bunny, the Sally Grammy top 5 di. Oh my gosh.
Gezondheid.
Okay. Just Spotify every year.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to go.
Okay.
I have to be Puerto Rican that day.
Boricua. Morena.
Because I video the not a big
Shout out to
Frida.
Nori. See.
Nori.
See, that's what's on.
Oh, no, because I can get the I want you no cantica. I mean I look Puerto Rican in this hair. Puerto Rican.
I think I have
Jennifer
seen
Lopez Puerto Rican. No cosa.
that. I
Anyways.
don't know.
Bad Bunny does yes, because I know every song by heart. Believe me, you can put me as a 10 time and I will get a 10. That and who would be my third? Oh, let me see cuatro, so let me see cuatro.
No, miss it. You don't have to be like me, yo. I'm me. Gezondheid.
Who's my third and my fourth? Bad Bunny, Beyonce.
Just get a third. Third is fine.
I'm thinking like who? Who? Who's someone I listen to all the time right now?
Come gaiki. Ai, me take the lubi da gaiki
Quem
su
mais,
number.
Senbo?
Come gaiki, me lubi da gaiki su number. He had a song with LMA last day.
Ella May?
See, they were on LMA's album. Candy.
Candy?
Yeah, no, but su album that they have Candy something.
Candy.
Candy something.
I don't know.
Candy coded. Guy, come guy. He's a singer. He's an R&B. Hey, no, wara. But maybe he's a Black. I want to see Black. Black is one of my top three. He's
Okay,
bad
Six
Black. I
Flag.
need to see Black. See, bruh, put out an album. I know you're listening to this. But see, put out an album, please.
Candy.
The people are waiting. Come the girls and the gays and me.
The girls and
We're all the three of us are waiting. But see, come guy. He put out, you think man Candy album assim na, no Candy album.
Album.
Soon, damn it, man. A album tem number, and Candy is one of the words that it's Candy, Candy something. Lucky Day.
No, Lucky Day. I didn't go see him.
Oh, so you wouldn't want to see Lucky
No,
Day.
not the top of my list. No.
Oh, I'm just trying to help.
I don't know.
Anyway,
Right. I mean, right now, next person I would probably see like right now. Kumaminas. See, but say the Kibideshan Chang. I think Steve
Also, I wanna
Lacy
see
or like
Steve
Eden. Go back into my alternative indie. No, The Neighborhood. Yes.
Alright, Shanang, this has been.
I want to go see them. They canceled non concert, but so they were on a hiatus.
That means they weren't
Breaking
selling
up.
tickets.
Yeah.
That's what that means.
No.
It's
What are you
either
talking
or.
about?
Okay, gezondheid. Shanang,
That.
it's good.
Yeah.
See. Laganosa, kibosan ta pensa. Kinda bosan top 3 artists nang bosan kiwak in concert.
Si Bosanga by Big Stepper. Share your
See.
thoughts.
Let your peoples know. Gezondheid, Angel. Espero você de mais minho. And I'm not cutting any of these sneezes out, so y'all gonna have to tough this out.
This time you can't be on my sneeze. I'll get you.
See, I'll take a shot every time Angel sneezes.
That's the game. Yes. Yes.
Anyway, I have been your host, Angel.
And I've been Joïm.
You're Basang Sakaba. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Stay happy.
Drink
And
medicine.
drink water.
Vitamins.
See. And we shall see you guys in the next episode of the OnBrand Podcast.
Bye.
Bye.